Good morning. Welcome to the greatest short of all time. Alright, alright, alright. Alright, alright, alright is right. Y'all ready? Y'all ready for some action? If you are, then fantastic. Let the show begin. By the way, this is live stream number 24. Let me put it this way, option trading live number 24. If you made it this far, you're a G. That's all I gotta say. A real deal G, you know? Perfect. The market is about to open in 5 minutes. Let me look at the Finviz, whatever this is, the heat map. So the market sentiment today is bearish, slightly bearish. Won't go all the way bullish or all the way bearish, but mainly it's bearish. At least that's what I think. Y'all can see, Wix is up still, even though it went down than what it was. Bitcoin is up. Honestly, it's neutral. It's slightly bearish, very little, and it's due to the Middle East war and stuff. Is this really about to break out? Look at this. Bitcoin is about to break to the upside. I don't think so. I think it's gonna be a resistance point for it. Anyhow, so let's make let's make money. Let's make money fist over hand. What do y'all say? Y'all down or what? Fist over hand, my friend. That's what I'm talking about. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. No freaking way. Look at that. That was a crazy push. So hang tight. It's gonna be a phenomenal live stream. It's gonna be fantastic. Better than ever. Let me put it that way. Yeah, chillax. Let the show begin and watch me cook. Yeah, watch me absolutely cook, my friend. We got 12 followers on Kick. Great news. Great news. This is more of a risk off. It's more of a risk off. What is it called? Risk off market right now because everyone's scared. They don't want to lose their money. Obviously, they're trying to be safe. They invest their money in something, much safer. For example, like gold or silver, maybe. You know, or people take their money out, liquidate their account. They can hold liquid. All of that makes sense for this market, to be honest. So it's risk off. It's consolidation mode. It's sideways basically. But we're gonna see some very strong moves from MU as SNDK and all of that. 100%, no doubt about it. Well, let me bring this up. This is from yesterday. So far $0. New day. So I'm gonna be turning off the mic real quick, and yeah, talk to you guys later. Market is opening up in 1 minute. We are kind of in a dangerous situation here. Market playing some games here with us. Obviously, we like to play games. We play games with it. Beautiful, beautiful. Let's break this. Let's break this. Come on, come on. That was a beautiful retest to the 50. And now let's see the downside, please. Those are two big VIX I'm seeing, showing downward momentum. S&P 500 is about to turn red. Hopefully we see the same on Nasdaq. Yeah, they're kind of playing games here with us. It is resisting here. Come on, let the resistance. No, not to the upside. Come on. Let me see. Oh, that's kind of greenish. Technology is kind of green, to be honest, right now. I'm not liking it. Oh no, that's a bad close, to be honest. That is a bad close for us. It's a pretty bad one. Should have taken this profit out, but that is fine. Let's see. Is this basically a higher low? But what's with the VIX, you know? Let's hold it a bit here. I feel like it's just going sideways, kind of. There's more potential to the downside than the upside. So let's see if you're gonna see that drop coming. Yeah, so let's break. Come down. Come down to Papa. Come down to Papa. Papa miss you. This is a bit of games too, to be honest. Come on, let's break 576.33, and that would be absolutely phenomenal. And we'll see some downside. We'll see a lot of downside as long as we could, you know. Come on, let's break that and stay under it. Come on, buddy boy. Beautiful. That was under 50 EMA. Got to be cautious here, to be honest. Yeah, so S&P 500 down. Beautiful. Now let's see Nasdaq doing the same thing. And then after see a shift on the market sentiment to more downside, and we'll see a drop on SNDK too. Yeah, there's a drop on Nasdaq. Let's break this level and just go to hell. Just go to hell, my friend. My friend, you better go to hell, or I'm going to throw some hands at you. You understand, my friend? So yeah, too many games here, to be honest. Feel like, come on, you gotta break this down, bro. Sometimes too much consolidation leads to what is it called? Downward momentum. So far, I'm liking how this works. The 1 minute chart, okay, looks nice. All right, it's not bad. It's close under 50. Beautiful. Let's see that big drop. Come on, SNDK. We trust in you. We believed in you. We believed in you, dear. So that is being closed so far. Okay, perfect. Very nice, to be honest. We need to see a break below 576 for us to hit the mark we're aiming for. And to me, it looks not so far for us to hit that. It is actually very possible. But SNDK being such a big mover, this thing can hit that easily. Yep, Nasdaq is turning red. Come on, just turn red, dude. Let's break this. Yeah, look at that. It broke it. Boom, baby. Yeah, SNDK is going down. What is this? Oh, okay, that's what it is. This is a resistance point. 580.95. That is a resistance point. It's very important for us to break it and stay under it on the 5 minutes chart and the fifth 15 minutes chart. So far, I'm not seeing much of a green volume here, but you can see the red volume. You see what I'm saying? Nasdaq, okay. There is a bit of chop in the market. It's just sideways so far. So yeah, hopefully we can see this 5 minute candle close under this 580.95 this level. And if that happens, that would be absolutely beautiful. We're gonna be happy. Well, we're gonna be happy regardless, but you know what I'm saying. What I'm saying. Oh, the hourly candle is closing in 3 minutes. Oh wow. Oh my. Oh mama. Oh papa. I don't know, my friend. Come on, let's close it under this. But to be honest, that is a very big green. I'm sorry, red volume there. Got 2 minutes and 30 seconds until the close. Come on, come on. Let's flex the muscles on them. Okay. Let's see those bears stepping in the market. Come on. Let's see those bears. Let me see those bears of yours. Yeah, so there is. Let me see. Silver, gold. It is pretty interesting, to be honest. Got 1 minute and 30 seconds. Yeah, this is a pretty strong resistance point here. 580.95. We stayed under it for like three several 5 minutes candles, but the bulls are fighting here, obviously. So see what happens. Nasdaq got that VIC there, got the S&P 500 looking, yeah, kind of sideways. DJI too. SNDK is playing along here. We got 1 more minute. This 1 more minute, it's very important for us. This 50 seconds is gonna be the future of this trade. It predicts the future of the trade. The 1 minute chart is just 30, 40 seconds that we have left. So we are making sure that, we could happily, 25 seconds we got, close under that 580.95. It looks like we're about to be honest. Literally sideways right now we are. Come on. You got 9 seconds, my brother. Let's just drop it as hard as humanly possible. Come on. Let's drop it. 1 second. Perfect. It literally closed under. Yeah? It closed under the resistance point, and then it just went up like that a little bit. So that to me is bearish. Literally. That to me is kind of bearish, to be honest. Yeah, so there you go. Got to let the bears step in. Gotta let the bears step in here. Oh, that is some green candle. There's some green volume there. That is actual. Alright, so let's see. To be honest, this does kind of looks scary. This green candle looks very strong. Not liking it. Not liking it. Too much sideways action. Yeah, that's a break. That's some green volume, to be honest. That is some green volume. At the same time, hold on, 599 or like 600. That's $15. At the same time, you're not really sure, so I don't want to. Can this possibly be a retest? Come on, could this possibly be a retest? You gotta see some red volumes here. It's 7:02 in the morning. Okay. Need to see some red volume on this. Otherwise, we're kind of cooked, to be honest. We are kind of cooked otherwise. So, oh, if we see a drop here, that would be absolutely beautiful, to be honest. If you see a drop here, that would be very nice. Wow. That was some red volume. This little, all right, this little, this little candle, it's, it had red volume almost as much as this guy had a green volume. So this candle got 61.54K. This one got 54. but it looked like that. So we're gonna see some downside here. At the same time, this 5 minute chart is just, we'll see what happens. Nasdaq is kind of pushing high here. Okay, I'm seeing some drops here. Beautiful, beautiful. The 1 minute chart is doing its thing. And the 5 minutes. Let's go. Hell yeah. That's what I'm exactly talking about. That's that kind of volume I want to see here. Redness. That's what I want to see here. I don't know, my friend. Looks like we're kind of cooked here. So, looking at this, it's kind of breaking out, kind of, but at the same time, it's not, you know. It's just, yes. Not the candle close above that, bro. Come on. This could possibly be a higher low, you know. It's definitely we need to see some green, some red volume here. It's very important. Yeah, let's see that redness in the market. Come on. S&P and Nasdaq, but basically sideways right now. Let's see. Oh shoot, I missed the phone call here. Hold on, 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 hold on. So we are kind of being cooked here. We're down 295. Let me see. The market is playing a bit of games, to be honest. It is. Oh shit! Did I do? Okay, VIX is going up, and it's just literally VIX is sideways too. God damn it. Okay, so this possibly could be a lower high. But no, but it's just freaking going sideways this whole time. Come on. Let's see some absolute red volume here. Let's see some real red volume here in the market. I say that the market is going down. That's what I believe. And based on the numbers I'm reading, it looks like it's going down. And there you go. Based on the numbers, based on the numbers, right? Numbers. I think based on the number that I'm talking about, it is going to go very, very down, my friend. I am pretty sure. My mom told me to eat that chicken tikka masala and the right, and I'll be okay. And I think my mom's chicken tikka masala is very good. I don't want to lie to you guys, but it's very, very spicy. Look, to be honest, chicken tikka masala is nice, but it's just too hot, bro. This one time I went to this Indian restaurant, got chicken tikka masala in it, and the the guy that was taking my order, he said, "How spicy you want it?" I said, like, medium. Thinking my medium is like not even spicy, right? So I said medium, and I couldn't eat the food because it was extremely hot. It was extremely spicy, like impossible for me to eat it. So yeah, just had to throw it away, unfortunately. Oh no. Yeah, that looks this looks kind of off. Come on. Stop playing with us, dude. Shit. Vix is dropping. Shit, dude. Fuck. Stupid Vix, bro. Stupid Vix. I don't throw hands here now. How about to freaking throw hands here, bro? About to get up and throw hands at this freaking PC. We're down 430 so far. That kind of sucks, to be honest. We need to see some red volume, bro. We got to see some red volume here. Got to. Some red volume is what we really need right now, to be honest. Come on. Let the Bears in, bro. Let the Bears in. We gotta let the Bears in here. So yeah, S&P is going. It's not looking so nice, to be honest. do most definitely need to see some red volume. Let me see, let me see, let me see. Oh no, that looks bad, dude. Fuck. That actually looks very bad. Yeah, there's upside. Come on, let the bears step, bro. Let the bears step in. Gotta see the bears step in. Oh no, it's pushing higher here. That's way too strong, bro. It's way too strong. Fudging hell. See this real quick. Gotta see some red volume. We do not absolutely want to break above this level. That is the high of yesterday. We absolutely did. Oh my god. We already did. Fuck, dude. We did already. God damn. Jeez, dude. There's some very strong green volume there. Yeah, 600's hit is freaking 2 seconds here now. Let's play games with them, bro. You want to play games with us? Play games with them, bro. What are you talking about? You want to play games with me? I'll play games with you. Yeah? Let the show begin, my friend. Let the show begin. Let me show you games you haven't seen before. Let me show you. Let me play games you haven't played before. Yeah, that is a pretty strong market, to be honest. To be real, bitcha. To be absolutely real. That is an absolutely very, very strong market to the upside. Yeah, very strong market. Kind of cooked. We're down 735. Kind of, to be honest with you. 600 is about to be hit. Imagine 638 gets hit next. That'll be very bad. That'll be very, very bad news for me. I'll be very, very, I'll be absolutely disgusting. Let him do his thing. No, no worries. Let the thing do its thing. All right. Yeah, 600 is getting hit here. I bite into my opinion, bro. I bite too far into my opinion, and this thing is absolutely beast now. Beast mode. Look at that 600's hit. We're down 800 bucks. That is exactly what you get for having expectations from the market, you know. Okay, okay. I told them. I told them. All right, so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna save this straight 100%. How am I gonna save it? I'll show you all in a second. No need to worry. Don't panic. It's organic. Yeah, that is a break above that freaking level. Should have listened. I should have taken profit here. That was 300 and something. Look, I'm chilling. Not even worried. Not even a bit. Not even a bit. Yeah. Not worried, my man. I ain't worried about shit. I'm not worrying about anything. Yeah, this is gonna be a long trade. This is going to be a very long trade, my friend. Alright, so you're having that very strong move. I'm not gonna like the rest of this game, dude. It's not gonna be fun anymore, you know? It's just not gonna be as fun as I want it to be. That is the low of the 2 days ago, 97.60. Who let the dogs out? Who, who let the dogs out? Who, 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 who let the dogs out? Who, you? Who let the dogs out? Who, you? Why would you let the dogs out, bro? Why would you let the dogs out? That was a pretty strong push, to be honest. That was a pretty strong push. Who let the dogs out? Who, who let... I wonder why I was missing out on this trade. Now I know. This is why. You know what I'm saying? You know absolutely what I'm saying, my friend. Come on, buddy boy. Let's see that damn drop, bro. See that damn drop here. See that damn drop. So I was caught in the middle here. Kind of cooked now. Being absolutely deep fried here. Yeah. Being absolutely deep fried here. It's not a big deal though. It is what it is. But I'm just saying, you know? I'm just saying. Should have seen that coming. I didn't even notice the RSI. Look at the RSI was super low on that. I should have seen that. Should have been. I should have been and stopped out. I should have. That's fine. We're gonna fix the problem. How about that? What do y'all think about that? I'm gonna fix the problem, eh? What do you say, my friend? Great is what I do, and what I do is great. Alright? Just gotta work with numbers here. Let's work with numbers. Let's play the numbers, huh? What do y'all say? Let me play the numbers. Let me play them. All right, so V Street's ahead of Wall Street. Shut up. Get out of here, bro. Get out of here. Our conflict clouds Fed's pat on interest rates. All right, rising oil and gas price after U.S. stack on Iran and add new are centered to the Fed's inflation fight and rate cut outlook. Okay, okay, all right. Stock tick higher after two volatile sessions. Bitcoin, gold rise. If Bitcoin and gold freaking rise, why is the market rising with it? You know what I'm saying? Come on, dude. All right, why Wall Street is taking the war in Iran and strike? What was behind? All fake. It's fake news, bro. All of this, don't listen to this. Gas price rise as we speak, where drivers are paying the most and least. These are all fake news. Oh shit, this is actually turning green. That's not a good sign, to be honest. Nvidia, you're a fucking idiot. Yeah, it's pushing further here. Ah, yeah, this thing's way too strong here. Way too strong. I don't know where the hell is it going though. I'm gonna turn the tables on him here. Watch me cook for a bit. All right. It's just money. Take it easy, yeah. Not a financial advisor. Not a financial advisor. Cannot copy the trades that I do. It's very dangerous, as y'all can see. Yeah, very dangerous, my friend. Cannot try at home. Don't you try at home, my friend. All right. You should not try this at home, my friend. All right. It's very dangerous games we play here. Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? What the heck is going on with Kahoot? It's up like freaking 10%. Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? Who? Most definitely need to see something like what? Jeez, fucking I, dude. That's $20 drop. Kind of sucks to be honest. Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? Who? Let's ultra focus on this right here. All I know. Hold on, what's the data on this thing? Is it a very dangerous data? It's me, dude. Yeah, there you go. It's 4.15. That's shits, bro. 4.15 is absolutely crazy. $400. Way too much. I would like to see some crazy drops here. Let's drop all the way down to like 565. Price indicate driven demand and new business models are reshaping the hand market for long-term growth. Right? Close my short position. This guy says support at 545. The price big boys bought it. Bought in at. Making money fist over hand about to make money fist over hand here. Who let the dogs out? Who, who let the dogs out? Who, 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 who let the dogs out? Who? Hold on a second. I should have bought something here. Come on. 580. It's not that bad. Let's see that drop, drop. 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 Come on, buddy boy. Show me what you gotta do here. Do what you gotta do here. Alright, alright, alright. Let's back a bit here. Like that. See the market. Oh, Nasdaq 1.42. That's sickening. VIX is, oh shit, it's down 11%. Should have seen that coming. Nvidia, got AMD, got IBM, got MU, we got SNDK, we got TSM. MU, what are you about to do, bro? What are you about to do here? This guy said close that gap, baby. This gap? You, how about you close your gap, kid? I am going to purchase a short position on MU here. To be honest with y'all, MU is looking nice in my eyes. going to purchase 400. Okay, we're in it. Unlink it. Oh no, not link it. Hold on, orange. No way this thing's gonna push much higher than that. It's not possible. Is it possible? That's possible, but is it very possible? Not really. How possible is it? You know, what really matters. How possible is it? You know. All right, so we are seeing some recovery on SNDK. Why are you acting like that, freaking MU? Fuck out of here, bro. Fuck out of here. Yeah, SNDK is just being an a-hole. It's being an absolute a-hole. Today is the day where I go against the freaking market. All right, so let's see. 390, that's 15. All right. FVC 390 on MU. No, MU. Let's go with 1250. So yeah, let's just put a sell limit on MU there. Oh wow. There is so much expectations from MU that I'm just gonna change it this as I go. So place it there just in case. Let's go back to this stupid son of a gun. Same with this. Yeah, this thing's pushing strongly. This thing is pushing pretty hard, to be honest. We are playing the game of anything's possible here. It is a very, very interesting game. It is going to be a long game. Pretty, pretty long game. Wow, wow, wow. This is just sideways right now. Because I'm a G, yeah? Because I'm not absolutely scared about nothing. It's exactly what I'm gonna do. Exactly what I'm going to do, alright? Alright? I purchased one more and just let the game do its thing. Yeah? I'm gonna let the game do its thing. That is a pretty strong push there. See, let's see. So far, we are kind of cooked, but not a big deal here. We're just chilling. Think about this. to see that market dropped here. You see the drop on the market here. So who let the dogs out? Who, 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 who let the dogs out? Who, who, who? Why would you let the dogs out? Why, why, why? Who let the dogs out? Who? Absolute sideways here. To be honest, I am willing to purchase one more. $8.50. All right, and I'm just gonna do that here. All right, so we got three contracts here. I'm not buying more. Absolutely not. We are going sideways. SNDK, we're cooked on SNDK here. Yeah, almost down $1,000 on SNDK. That sucks. Could have been up $1,000 on SNDK. This thing is just very volatile, to be honest. I'm not gonna purchase any anymore. Just gonna hold it here. See what happens. and managing multiple positions here. Multiple position is being managed. Wow. Hold on, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 3 days. Oh shit. Microteknology has stress shipping samples of its 256 GB. Or alright, sure. Whatever. Whatever, dude, whatever. Wow. That is some very strong push here. Wow, wow, wow. Still pushing. Crazy. I might just hold this overnight, to be honest. I don't know. You're almost 1.5 hours into the market. Let's see. That is the last contract I'm buying on this. That is the absolute last contract. I'm making the same mistake that I made last week. I keep adding to the losing position, but that's fine. I feel like this thing is going to drop here. Let me see. That is exactly the point. Is that I'm feeling like your feelings are not real. God damn it! Better be slapped. Feelings aren't real, dude. Duty, dude. Your feelings are ain't nothing, bro. Ain't nothing. 1150 at the four. 1145. 1150. Replace. Right, so we're cooked on SNDK too, so kind of sucks, dude. Kind of sucks. But I'm holding. See what we're doing here. See what we're doing. Red volume would be absolutely beautiful if you could see that here. Hey, come across your stream. I like what you're building. Alright, get out of here, bro. Stop trying to scam me. Stop trying to scam me. There we go. Yeah, it's just bullish as hell today. Why? Why is it bullish as freaking hell, dude? It's crazy. Let's see. Well. Alright, gotta use the bathroom real quick. I'll be right back. Alright, 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 alright. Alright, alright, alright. Let's see if the market decided to go down here. The market's not deciding to go down. The market has decided to go even higher. What a stupid, stupid market. Nice. It's changing direction. That's beautiful. Look, I'm not even joking. Look at this. Watch this. Oh no. Yeah, it is changing direction here. Beautiful. What is this line, by the way? Just leave it. Holy jeez. Look at Bitcoin. That is very interesting, to be honest. That is extremely interesting. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Let's go. It is dropping. Yep, it is going down. Beautiful. It is quite boring, isn't it? To be honest, it meant to be boring. Oh no, I need some very red, bro. I need red volume here. We got to see some red volume because it's about to be nine, and if it once it's nine, it's kind of game over. It's the London session closes, and it's just UK closed, bro. There's not going to be much volume in the market after that. I feel like they're just going to take their money and walk away. I'm gonna decide if I want to hold it or not. Overnight, SNDK position. I'm down 800 on it. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna hold the SNDK. I most definitely need to see some very red volume here. Let's see. Definitely need some bit volume here. Beautiful. Okay, we are in green. It's gonna do its thingy and then see the market here. Okay, nice. Okay, that is the low of the previous day. No, 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 no. The day before, so 2 days ago. That could become a resistant point for us. So 597.61. Yeah, it closed above it. Oh yeah. Looking at the hourly chart, we're going down. Let's see. Excuse me there. All right, let's work. Let's work. Come on. There we go. Now we're talking about it. That's what we're talking about. Let me see. Let's place this here. 400. Okay, so I see. Come on, let's just push this lower. Too many games here. All right, all right, all right. Let's see, let's see. Kind of recovering here. It's pretty slow. My recovery is kind of slow. The recovery is kind of slow. Slow, slow, slow. It is very slow. Slow, slow, slow. It is making me throw hands. Hands, hands, hands. But I don't want to do that. Do that. So recover faster. Faster, faster, faster. Nice. Beautiful. There we go. There we go. Beautiful. The recovery is being too slow, dude. Come on, just drop it. It's one of those days, one of those days, one of those days. It's one of those days, one of those days. One of those days. It's one of those days, one of those days, one of those days. It's those days. The days. One of those days. It's the days. One of those days. It's the days. One of those days. Ain't dropping. Ain't going up. Bullying. Ain't going up. Just come on. One of those days. To be honest, should I just go risk off here? Fuck, fuck, fuck. That was some green volume. Get me out. Perfect. Fuck out of here. Stupid son of a gun. Stupid. I really want to curse this guy. 235. Stupid. 235. Too much games is being played, you know. Yeah, look at that. Fucking eye. That's fine. So let's just go SNDK here. Let's go SNDK here. It's just way too slow, dude. And we're down a shit ton of money in this. You're down 750 bucks. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do with this shit? What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do with this thing? What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do with this thing? This sucks. This sucks. This thing sucks. This thing sucks. This thing sucks. Let's see. Oh, we really, really need to go down for this thing to recover, to be honest. Shit, we need to go down to like 580 just to get our money back. 580s, that's 20 bucks lower. And by the time let me see if I'm gonna hold this overnight. I don't know if I would. Yeah, I'm not gonna hold this thing overnight. Absolutely not. Yeah, I'm not gonna hold this thing overnight. That sucks. Holding this overnight is suicide, bro. Not holding it overnight. Nope, that's a bad idea. That is a very, very, very bad idea for us to hold this overnight. That was a beautiful drop there. Let's see. Silver, gold, 500. This kind of drop. Kind of. So let's see. Yeah, I'm not gonna hold this overnight. Absolutely not. Death on it's like four. That's $400 just overnight. For me to make a decent amount of profit from this position, it's like it has to drop like $30, which is crazy, unrealistic, you know. What's going on? What's going on? Yeah, so for me to hold this overnight, that's not good. No good. No good. And it's sideways right now. Wow, even 590 wouldn't make a difference. So here, gotta break this level. Gotta break 96 to go lower. Is it going to? Not really sure, to be honest. Probably gonna close this position with a loss. That's fine. It sucks, but that's fine. I should have closed it when I was in profit. It was in like $300 in profit. You never know. Yeah, it's sideways. And it's sideways big time. You get that box here. Get my box out. Shit. Yeah, it's sideways still. Nice. Looks like it's pushing upside here. Is it? Yeah. Fuck. It's one of those days, one of those days of one of those days. Gotta break below this box for us to see some drop here. There's some green volume there. Shit. Strong buys. I don't want to hold this overnight. So what am I gonna do here? Let's make the hard decision. Let's make the hard decision of accepting the loss and just getting out of this trade. Because we're not profiting from this at all. Yeah, now it's lower. Yeah, I'm still gonna get out of this. Yep, you're out of that trade, my friend. We are out of that Trade. Get my calculator out, obviously. We're dealing with very some big numbers. 850 negative minus 235. That's 615, dude. All right. $6.15. Red we go. Red we go. No. Don't tell me that was a trick. Don't you tell me that was an absolute trick. Don't tell me they tricked us to get out of the market. No freaking way. No freaking way. Are you kidding me? Hold on. Is this thing gonna continue consolidating or is it gonna drop? No freaking way, dude. No freaking way they did us dirty like that. I swear to God they did us dirty like that. Fuck. Let's see. Closed at 11:30. No way they did us dirty like that. Hold on. How did I not see that? I don't know. Maybe it's not dropping. No way they did us dirty like that. So on the, I don't know. I don't think so. Maybe not. So 570 on Monday, 385 on Tuesday, yesterday, negative 615. So we are still up 340 bucks on the week so far. We are still up 340 on the week. So we're cool. We're cool. 314 so far. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, it's gonna be choppy. I don't like it at all. It's gonna be choppy. I feel like I became too greedy. Didn't take this out, and I got what I deserved. I feel like. No, it wasn't just pushing high. Okay, that's fine. All right, so good thing we got out. Good thing we got out. All right, so let's see. Yeah, 615. Ah, I know it sucks, but we're still at 340 on the week. Yeah, 340 on the week. We got tomorrow. Tomorrow is what, Thursday, and we have Friday. We have 2 more days. 2 more days, all right, for this week to make it back. We have 2 more days to get above the thousand again. So we'll see what happens. Yeah, the market's going crazy right now. What's going on? Wow, wow, wow. Pretty strong day today. Damn, 7% but was. Anyhow, why did I close that? That's fine. All right, y'all, take it easy. Thanks for joining in. That was a losing day. 615. That is what it is. We'll take it. We're still up 340 on the week. We got tomorrow and Friday. It's gonna be phenomenal. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be fantastic. No doubt about it. Yeah, take it easy. Have a great day. Take care and bye bye.